Join your hands and close your eyes for morning prayer. Bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, He made their glowing colors, He made their tiny wings. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. Nature is sending us a message with the coronavirus pandemic. If we don't take care of nature, we can't take care of ourselves. So our topic for assembly is change yourself, not the nature. Now let's hear what our Honorable Prime Minister has to say about it. Hello, there is a breaking news. Modi ji has announced complete lockdown for entire country due to coronavirus.
ध्यान से सुनिए, पूरे देश में आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है।
The word corona sends chill down our spine. So let's hear what my friends have to say about it. कोरोना है जो आया है चीन की ये माया, कोई ना रोक पाया, ये ढीठ है बड़ा, बचने का तरीका टीवी पे दिखाया, भैया ने भी समझाया तो भी ना समझा। बहुत टेढ़ा है कोरोना, न जाने किस पे आएगा, ये वायरस तो है आवारा, तेरी हिम्मत आजमाएगा। स्कूल मत जाना, बाहर मत निकलना, एक साल की लड़ाई घर से ही कर लेना, योगा भी करो ना, पढ़ाई भी करो ना, पहली क्लास की पढ़ाई ऑनलाइन ही कर लो ना। किया सब कुछ है बंद सुनी, न जाने कब ये जाएगा, बहुत टेढ़ा है कोरोना, न जाने किस पे आएगा। Can you hear this sound? This is the sound of birds chirping. I have noted this sound before. and enjoying nature's beauty. Nature? What is nature? Come, I will show you nature. Can see trees, hear birds chirping, smell the flowers and feel the breeze. All this is not man-made. This is all nature or environment. Oh yes, I remember a home on nature. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, the birds are flying, bees are so cool. The nature is trying her best to give nothing but beautifulness. We are sad because of Corona and birds are enjoying the fresh air. Here it is looking so happy and clean. You can also feel the fresh air. Yes, I am so relaxed and fresh. Air? Who made you so fresh? You were not like this before. I have seen myself to be so clean. It's been years you all have been so mean to me. And now see, no one pollute, no gases, your factories are closed. I am finally free. If you don't believe, ask birds, water or tree. बहुत पुरानी है ये बात, आई आज अचानक से याद. पानी है गुनों की खान, पानी है धरती की सान. सबको पता था हूँ मैं जरूरी, फिर भी कैसी हालत पूरी. देखे होंगे मेरे कई रूप, बन जाता हूँ बादल अगर हो धूप. बनकर बारिश देता हूँ पानी, फिर क्यों करता है इंसान अपनी मनमानी. मैंने देखा था यही सपना, मन गया हूँ जो चाहता था बनना. जानकर भी बनता है अनजान, क्यों करता है इंसान ऐसे काम. अब तो हुआ मैं भी साफ, इसलिए किया तुम सबको माफ. We have big crown and many leaves. You people call us trees. I am so happy because of machinery and factories. थे आजाद पहले भी, पर हवा में वो बात नहीं थी. अब खुलकर सांसें ले सकते हैं हम, उड़ान ऊंची आसमां से रहेगी. हम भी जीना चाहते हैं इस समय को जो दिया है तुमने अभी. नाच लेना ये खुशी फिर से, जब हो जाए ठीक सभी. You all are so happy. We were not aware that we were taking so much from you. You try not to destroy this nature's beauty again.
cherishing the clean nature.
Don't think about it, just move your body. Listen to the music, sing oh, eh, oh. Just move those left feet, go ahead. oh, eh, oh. Show the world you got that fire. Feel the rhythm getting louder. Show the room what you can do. Prove to them you got the moves. I don't know about you, but I feel better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. I'm better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. And we can do this together. I bet you feel better when you're dancing. Yeah, yeah.
And birds, air and water were thinking that this is a permanent change. They were wrong. Let's see what happened after unlock.
Humans are allowed to go outside. Factories are started. Chemicals are disposed in the water bodies.
Are celebrating festivals and creating pollution.
Plants and birds are suffering.
Our earth is again dirty and sad. Ants, birds, air and
we humans knowingly harming our Mother Earth. As a little Jaipurian, we are raising our small hands with the help of big hands to save our Mother Earth and to make a better place for us to live and smile.
No one is eating this leftover food, Ananya. Please throw it in the dustbin.
no, Mom, we can give this leftover food to state animals or birds.
David.
Yes, Mom.
Now this is empty. Throw it in the dustbin.
No, Mom, I will reuse it. I have learnt in my design thinking class that we can use old plastic bottles to make something new, like vase, watch, etc.
Okay, it's nice.
See, Mom, I have started a tree in it.
Well done.
Let's take a pledge to keep our earth green and clean and stop doing all the activities that harm our nature. One small positive thought can change your whole day. I would like to share today's thought of the day. Let's nurture the nature so that we can have a better future.
Sarita ma'am, guide.
Now you know healthy, wealthy nature is very important for our well-being. Now I would like to request coordinator ma'am to share her precious thoughts.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. It was a very nice assembly. Small children performing, speaking so well was actually a delight to see. Now, talking in a broader perspective, children, you must have heard that if you want to change something, be a change, right? So don't wait for somebody else to bring out the change. For small things, you can also change yourself. If you want that nobody should give a bad names to you, you stop giving bad names. You want the city clean, you start putting your rubbish in the dustbin. Don't litter here and there. These are small things which you can do and teach others, because everything begins with you and it is within you. It was a beautiful assembly. Everybody did very well. My congratulations to all the children who participated, and especially the parents who were their backbone, did recording, re-recording, gave them practice. Thanks a lot. It wouldn't have been possible without your help, parents. And of course, congratulations to the teachers, Manisha ma'am and Sarita ma'am, Rekha, who were always there for their practices, worked hard, and Rekha was always there as a backbone for them. Thanks a lot. It was a beautiful assembly. Thank you.
Mantika. Okay. Thank you so much, Parul ma'am, for your inspiring words. And I, on behalf of my team, I thank Parul ma'am for their valuable guidance and motivation in our efforts. And I also thank all the parents for their constant support, patience, hard work, and efforts and encouragement also. So once again, a big thank you to all of you.
Kumud ma'am, would you like to speak something? Kumud ma'am? She's there? Just focus.
Thank you, ma'am.
She's not.
Thank you, ma'am.
She was there. I saw her. She was there. Maybe she has left. She has a class. Doesn't matter. Chalo, fine. Rekha? Call Rekha ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
She'll speak a few words.
I'm trying from last 10 minutes ki mujhe unmute karo. Kumud ma'am was there. I wanted to request her if she can like say.
Yeah, even I'm looking for her. I don't.
Kumud ma'am, are you there?
No.
I think she left.
Yes, ma'am. She's not here.
Just check. Kumud ma'am is there. Manisha?
No, ma'am.
She's not there.
She's not there. Okay. Thank you so much, Parul ma'am. Thank you so much for blessing us, for motivating us, our small kids.
All efforts, your efforts.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
The children, basically students' efforts.
Yes.
Children,
Basically.
they had to wait a long time to
Yes.
present their assembly due to some engagements.
Yes. And thank you, parents, also. Thank you so much for your efforts. Like, yeah, as ma'am said, Parul ma'am said, recording and re-recording. Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks a lot. You can end the assembly now.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Bye.